Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a delicious Imli sauce. Imli sauce is so delicious. It tastes so good with samosas, pakores, all of those iftari meals that we just love. So come with me to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make this sauce, which not only will complement all of your iftari meals but also your taste buds. So come with me. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you'll need to make the Imli sauce. You've got 1 tomato, we've got 1 chili depending on how spicy you'd like the tamarind to be. So this is 1 chili, so we don't want it too spicy. We've got the tamarind that we've peeled and put into the pot aside, which we did earlier, and then we've got the mint. Now this mint looks a little bit strange probably because it's come straight out of the freezer. Okay, so this is the sweet tamarind which is used to make imli and to make the sauce. It comes in a box and it costs, you can see there, £2.49, and this is what it looks like inside. So this is the tamarind, okay, and the outside texture is really tough. It's like a cardboard. It's not really hard, but it's like a cardboardy. You can see that it just cracks. And this is the bit you're going to dispose of. You don't want that cracky outside bit. So as you can see, this is the tamarind. We've taken the cardboard outer shell off, and it's left like this inside. Now you'll see that there's some strings on there. You want to get rid of those strings as well. You don't need that. You just want the soft textured tamarind. So as you can see, we're breaking that tamarind up, and in the end it should look like this. So it's got this white sort of textured, coloured, I don't know what you'd call it, but that's the inside. Don't be alarmed. You want to keep that. That is part of the tamarind, that is part of the flavouring. So you're only going to open up the tamarind like so, get rid of the black beans, and use that tamarind for the sauce. So you'll probably need about 15 pieces of the tamarind, and that should make you a good little bit of sauce, enough to eat your food with. I'd probably say it will give you around 20 tablespoons. So what you'll need to make this sauce is a blender, and that's because you want it to be the correct texture, otherwise it won't turn into a sauce. So obviously you can mash it together and everything, but it's just quicker and easier if you have, so if you have like the Bullet Ninja, or you have any, any blender will do the job. So first step is that we're going to place the ingredients into the pot, which is going to be the blending pot. So we're putting the tamarind in there first. That is the tamarind that we peeled, took the seeds out of, we crushed the shell, took the seeds out, and that is the leftover tamarind. Next we're putting in the mint. So that's the mint now, just taking that out, putting that into the pot. So literally all you do is you put all the ingredients into the pot, basically. Chili's gone in there, so that's everything. And we're also going to put the tomato in there as well, but you should cut the tomato just because it's easier to get the juices out. And what should happen is as soon as you start blending it, the juices of the tomato will come out. So even though at the moment you might think, how is that going to blend? It will all blend together, hopefully, not fingers crossed because it's Ramadan, but inshallah it will blend. As you can see, that's the blend now, but it's not runny enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another tomato. Okay, so now we're just cutting up the next tomato, and you can see that it's a bit speedier because Ramadan iftari is about to open. So it wasn't a good idea to do this right now, but at least it's fresh sauce. So just popping the tomato in there, and we're going to blend that, and it should be runnier. That looks good. That's the sort of colour that you want it to look like. and that's ready for iftari. So happy Ramadan, happy iftari time. Assalamu alaikum.